The nervous system or the neural system is a complex network of neurons specialized to carry messages. The complexity of the nervous system increases as we move towards higher animals. For instance, cnidarians such as jellyfish have relatively simple nerve nets spread throughout their body. Crabs have a more complicated nervous system in the form of two nerve centers called dorsal ganglion and ventral ganglion. In the human body, the neural system integrates the activities of organs based on the stimuli, which the neurons detect and transmit. They transmit messages in the form of electrical impulses and convey messages to and from the sense organs. Nervous coordination involves the participation of the sense organs, nerves, spinal cord, and brain. The human nervous system consists of two parts. Number 1. Central nervous system, consists of the brain and spinal cord. Number 2. Peripheral nervous system, includes all the nerves of the body. Central nervous system, CNS, is often called the central processing unit of the body. It consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The brain is one of the important, largest and central organ of the human nervous system. It is the control unit of the nervous system, which helps us in discovering new things, remembering and understanding, making decisions, and a lot more. It is enclosed within the skull, which provides frontal, lateral and dorsal protection. While the spinal cord is a cylindrical bundle of nerve fibers and associated tissues enclosed within the spine and connect all parts of the body to the brain. It begins in continuation with the medulla and extends downwards. It is enclosed in a bony cage called vertebral column and surrounded by membranes called meninges. The spinal cord is concerned with spinal reflex actions and the conduction of nerve impulses to and from the brain. Peripheral nervous system, PNS, is the lateral part of the nervous system that develops from the central nervous system which connects different parts of the body with the CNS. PNS includes two types of nerve fibers, those which are responsible for transmitting messages from tissues and organs to the CNS are called afferent nerve fibers, while those which are responsible for conveying messages from CNS to the corresponding peripheral organ are called efferent nerve fibers. A neuron is a structured and functional unit of the nervous system, and unlike other cells, neurons are irregular in shape and able to conduct electrochemical signals. Dendrite stretches out from the cell body of a neuron, and it is the shortest fiber in the cell body. Axon is the longest thread on the cell body of a neuron and has an insulating and protective sheath of myelin around it. Cell body consists of cytoplasm and nucleus. Synapse is the microscopic gap between a pair of adjacent neurons over which nerve impulses pass, when moving from one neuron to the other. On the other hand, nerves are thread-like structures that emerge from the brain and spinal cord. It is responsible for carrying messages to all the parts of the body. There are three types of nerves. Some of these neurons can fire signals at speeds of over 119 meters per second or above 428 kilometers per hour. Sensory nerves send messages from all the senses to the brain. Motor nerves carry messages from the brain to all the muscles. Mixed nerves carry both sensory and motor nerves.